Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I practice my English speaking practice, and I have a story I want to share you with you guys. Please wait for the story. Yes, this is very interesting. Yes, so first of all the test of all. So that is the name of the story. And first there was a king, and the king is very honest and serious about her work. So he tried to, I can say, all the in the kingdom. After in the evening he want to walk all around the kingdom, and she noticed what is going on in my kingdom. So that time four girls talking each other and argument each other. So at that time one is talk about yes, I can say, the meat is very tastiest of all. So yes, and second told, yeah, the liquor, that is very tastiest of all. And third girl told, yes, I can say, the love is uh, I think very, I can say, tastiest of all. And third, I think, the hunger, hungry, hunger, that is tastiest of all. That is very important. So the king listen all the story, I can say, all the argument. And after he come back, and he pass a order, please come all the girl here, and I want to listen your all the argument, and yes, I want to know your opinion. So yes, all are come in the kingdom, and they, yes. So first, how you feel the meat is tastiest of all? So that time the girl told, yes, I, my house is in front of the meat shop. So every time I'm a prettiest uh, girl, and yes, I can say, every time I notice the dog, the meat shop, uh, or throw all the bone in front of the dog. So dog came in the group, and they fight each other for the bone. So that's why I think the bone is tastiest of all. And second, the king give the prize of that girl. Okay. And second, how you feel the liquor, that is the tastiest of all? So that time the girl told, yes, my shop, my house is the in front of the liquor shop. So every time the men want to drink, but their family member don't want to that give the money for uh, drink. Okay, so that's why they are very, yes, they don't listen to their family. So that's why I think the liquor is very tastiest of all. And after that the third girl came, and how give, I can say, the king give the prize of second girl. And third, after the third girl, how you feel the love is very uh, different, that is a feeling. And how you so at that time the girl told all the story. Yes, my sister, I can say, she's very obedient and very shy, but because of the in the love, so he arguing all the time with my father, and she don't listen to him, and yeah, all the family. So that's why I think love is like very test, I can say, different. So that's why he prove their point of view. So the king give the prize of that girl also. And after the fourth girl came, and yes, how you feel the thus I can say the hunger, how you feel the hunger is really important. So at that time that girl told, fourth girl told, yes, I can say the hunger is very important. If we have lot of the plenty of the food and all, but we don't have the hunger, so that time all food is tasteless for us. So that's why the hunger is very important, and that is the test of all. So that's the story, guys. And after that the king listen all the, and after the big, I can say, prize give the fourth girl, because the king is know who is the winner of the argument. So that's the story, guys. How is my story? Please share and subscribe my channel, and see you. Bye.